In this video, we will look at properties of integration. Let's look at the first properties. Integration from b to a for the function of fx with respect to x. So we can interchange this value, means that a come down, b going up. But we need to put a negative. So means that the new is negative integration from a to b. Previously is b to a. Now is a to b for the function of fx. So we need to put a negative. Next, we look at integration from a to a for the function of fx is equals to 0. Then for summation, integration of fx plus gx, we can separate into two parts, fx, integration of fx plus integration of gx. Same as subtraction, integration of fx minus gx, we can change to integration of fx minus the integration of gx. We can separate the summation and the subtraction. Next, we move on to number 5. Next is integration for k fx. So for the constant, we can multiply to the front. So it will become k fx. K integration of fx from a to b for the function of with respect to x, where k is a constant. So k must be a constant. Then finally, number 6, if integration for the function of fx from a to c. So from a to c, we can separate into two parts. So this is part A, this is part B. Means that I can separate into integration of gx from a to b, from a to b, this part, plus integration from b to c. This is the second part. So we can separate into two parts. Let's look at some example. Let's say example 1. Given that integration from 0 to 2 for the function of fx is equals to 4 and integration of gx from 0 to 2 is 3. So first find this integration. So let's say question A. So from the first part, subtraction, I can separate into two parts. Means that integration from 0 to 2 for the function of 3 fx with respect to x minus integration from 0 to 2 for 2 gx with respect to x. So I can separate into two parts. Next, I can move out the constant. So it will become 3 integration from 0 to 2 for the function of fx with respect to x minus 2 integration from 0 to 2 for the function of gx with respect to x. And we all know that integration of fx from 0 to 2, integration of fx from 0 to 2, the value is 4. So it means that 3 times 4 minus 2 times integration of gx from 0 to 2. Integration of gx from 0 to 2 is 3. So times 3. So 3 times 4, 12, minus 6. So here is 6. This is the answer for question A. Then we move on to question B. Integration from 2 to 0 for the function of fx plus 5x with respect to x. So you can see that the given integration or the integral is from 0 to 2. But in question B is 2 to 0. So first what I have to do is I interchange. Let's say I rewrite the question from 0 to 2. Fx plus 5x with respect to x. So first what I have to do is I interchange. Let's say I change the color. I interchange this value. So what I need to do is here will be equals to negative from 0 to 2. Why I need to change this value? Because the given integral is from 0 to 2. So fx plus 5x with respect to x. Next, I separate into two parts. So I need to take the negative into the account. So it will become negative integration from 0 to 2 fx dx. So negative, positive. So here is negative. Integrate from 0 to 2, 5x with respect to x. And this value, integrate fx from 0 to 2. Fx from 0 to 2, the value is 4. So here is negative 4 minus, whereas for this part, this is not given. So what we need to do is we need to integrate. So integrate 5x, I should get 5x squared over 2 from 0 to 2. So here we need to integrate. Next, I'm going to substitute the value. So 5 times 2 squared over 2 minus 5 times 0 squared over 2. So here is negative 4 minus, from here 2 squared is 4, 20, so here is 10. You can use your calculator. Minus 0. So here will become negative 4 minus 10. So here is negative 14. Next, we look at question C. Find the value of k such that integration from 0 to 2 for the function of fx with respect to x plus, again, you can see here is 2 to 0. Next, we will interchange this value, and this is equals to 10. So let's say C. Let's look at the question. Integrate from 0 to 2 for the function of dx. Integrate from 0 to 2 for the function of fx with respect to x plus integration from 2 to 0 for the function of 2gx plus kx. 2gx plus kx with respect to x is equals to 10. So we need to find the value of k. So as we all know, integrate from 0 to 2 for the function of fx, the value is 4. So here is 4. Plus, next, I will interchange. Let's say I change the color. Next, I will interchange this value. So what I need to know to do is, now here will become negative. Integrate from 0 to 2 for a function 2gx plus kx is equals to 10. Next, I will separate into 2. So we have to be careful with the negative. So here will become 4 minus integrate from 0 to 2, 2gx dx. Negative, positive will become negative. Integrate from 0 to 2, kx dx is equals to 10. So next, I can factorize the constant. So k we can factorize. So from here will become 4 minus 2 integrate from 0 to 2 gx with respect to x minus k integrate from 0 to 2 x dx is equals to 10. So here is 4 minus 2 integration of gx from 0 to 2. Integration of gx from 0 to 2, the value is 3. So here we will multiply by 3. Minus k. Then we will integrate this part. So integrate x, I should get x squared over 2 from 0 to 2, and this is equals to 10. So 4 minus 6 minus k Next, I will substitute the value. Substitute 2 squared minus 4 minus 0 squared over 2. And here is equals to 10. So 4 minus 6 minus k. So from here, 2 squared is 4. 4 over 4 is 1 minus 0. And this is equals to 10. Finally, 4 minus 6 minus k times 1 is k is equals to 10. So from here, 4 minus 6 is negative 2 minus k is equals to 10. So negative k is equals to 10 plus 2. I move negative 2 to right hand side. Negative k is equals to 12. K is equals to negative 12. So here is the answer for question C.